Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox app download speed slow on PC Game Pass. So tap on the Windows button, search for check for updates option. So tap on it. Okay, after that it will lead you to a Windows update option. Tap on the advanced option and scroll down, you'll be able to find delivery optimization. Okay, now make sure it is turned on, or you can just turn it off and again turn it on. After that, go back and again tap on the Windows button, and now this time search for Xbox. Okay, I'm searching for it, so here is Xbox. Now right click on the Xbox button. Now tap on the app settings. Okay, it will drive you to Xbox interface. So scroll down, you will be able to see terminate options here. You can just terminate it, and you can also reset it. The best option is you have to just repair it. So after doing that, it will be all okay. Hopefully there will be no problem. And that's all for today's video. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.